In the case of Rivers people, the problem is what I told you now. Any politician there that tries to identify Fubara, for example, the day Fubara was said to have appointed Ohane the chairman, I knew his time was up. Tinubu is to suspend Fubara because of Wike. Tinubu found an excuse to remove Fubara because Fubara was close to Ohane.
The conspiracy against the Igbo identity continues. Keep watching and learn.
They favor them if you're not Igbo or you don't have that affinity much to the Igbos. Then if you are, they will be dismissed.
Is it the reason why Rotimi Amechi, when he was a governor of, yes, of Rivers State, he said that he's not from Igbo?
He said he's a Kwere man.
A Kwere man, that he has nothing to do. But now, but he said that I am from Ikwere, River State. But what they are doing, the way they are treating the Igbos is not fair. Now he start wearing Isiago to start supporting the Igbos. Okay, now sir, maybe it's because his ambition now is, you know, next election. I don't know whether he's coming for next president. That's why he's claiming to be part of Igbo now.
That's why I'm laughing. Exactly. Rotimi, as a historian, I don't forget. You know, and I pick things because sometimes they lead you to some landmarks. Rotimi has said this many times. When he was governor, he was asked. He said he was a Kwere man. He never denied he was Igbo or not. They said he was a Kwere man. Now, and then later, there was a time he said that he was more Igbo than many people who claim to be Igbos. That his ancestry comes from Abia State. There are people from Abia State and Rivers State who call themselves Ikwere too, you know. But Rivers, majority Rivers are our ancestry, which are Igbos, the two. Then we have the Opobo side, we are of the Abia State too. So I just said something of to make you laugh. Wike is a minister today because he openly said he has a Benin ancestry. So that nuisance value is why Wike is federal minister today. You know? So it's like that. When Ovile was governor of Rivers State, he was asked, all the days from Ndoni, he was Peter Odili. He's a highly respected CKC old boy. I studied in CKC. I left 78. So I met him when they were living. We were kids. And I can tell you that the guy was to do his demeanor, the way he was carrying himself, attracted a lot of respect from many people. But when he was asked if he was an Igbo man as a governor of Rivers State, he said he preferred to be a Yoruba man. Because he felt that his power with him was by the grace of Yorubas. So he left for the Igbos, he wouldn't have been governor. So he preferred to be a Yoruba man, you know. And graciously, his wife became Supreme Court because of Yoruba people. So you see the thing, they favor them if you're not Igbo or you don't have that affinity much to the Igbos. Then if you are, they will be dismissed. And I told you about Alaibe. Alaibe came, they promised him next time he will become governor of Bayelsa. When the next time came, they didn't refuse and put him, the man was annoyed and he went back to when the AD at that time. They flawed him. Next time he came, they went to Labour Party and that was the end of his political career. In the case of Rivers people, the problem is what I told you now. Any politician there that tries to identify Fubara, for example, the day Fubara was said to have appointed Ohane the chairman, I knew his time was up. Tinubu is to suspend Fubara because of Wike. Tinubu found an excuse to remove Fubara because Fubara was close to Ohane. And the federal government has seen Rivers State, Bayelsa, Delta State, Akwa Ibom, Cross River as areas they conquered from the Igbos. Governor, I know, talking about Tinubu is because of that. Not that Tinubu is doing anything, but he doesn't want to lose his seat. Likewise, the Cross River. Any governor there, they must be hostile to Igbos to sustain his seat before they will remove him. Including Governor Emmanuel, including Ababio, whose wife is an Igbo woman. You can never associate with the same country they will give you, but they will say it. That is what I look at the father in Benue. attacking PWB. You can never show anything that will bring you closer to anything to the Igbos. They will be in trouble.
So you mean removing Fubara, the secret of removing Fubara is because of Ohaneze?
Nothing else. No? Because of if Fubara was removed because of Wike would have said what he said if he knew. He would advise against it. Probably he didn't know, but he played it into his hands. He played it into their hands because of antagonism. But I said it to my close friends that this man is in trouble. If actually he nominated this another president, he's in trouble, and that's what happened. So any politician from this area, as you see, they are fighting for their lives because the British have seen the place as area they conquered from the war, and that's why the Igbos cannot rebuild Nigeria.